Ka long kumno ka examen jongpi. How was your examination? Kasniu tam menta kasngi. It is worse today. Ja ayu. What happened? Menta kasngi dang step today early in the morning. Ngala tenra ya kasyar. I hit a chicken. Da kakali iba jonga. By my brother's car. Done by your yapi. Is there anyone who saw you? Kin ra shaying bishar. They'll take it to the court. Pidan nong sakhi. Do you have a witness? Hoi ngadan. Yes, I have. P your nae. From where did you get? Ito ikentay teman bayan hasurok. That old lady who walked on the street. Pin le kumno menta. What will you do now? Kabha ban pinkut no menta. It is good to end it now. Kumno pinle yakata. How will you do that? Ngin yakran sokna. We will compromise. Ngan thiet kum katu kasyar. I will buy that kind of chicken. Kata kadai kabut kababiang. That is a good idea. Kata kabyang yepi. Is that okay with you? To ngin le no kumta. Let us do it in that way.